Ready to send money across borders with ease? Let's jump right into a step-by-step guide on using Worldremit. First, open the Worldremit app or go to worldremit.com and either log into your existing account or create a new one. If you are a new user, tap on the Send to option and select the country you're sending money to. This will dictate the available delivery methods. Now choose how you want the recipient to receive the money. Options might include bank transfer, mobile money, cash pickup, or even airtime top-up. Select the most convenient one for them. Enter the amount you want to send. Worldremit will automatically show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Carefully enter the recipient's details, like their full name, address, and phone number, making sure everything is accurate to avoid delays. Choose your payment method. Euro, you can typically use a debit card, credit card, or a bank transfer. Review all the transfer details one last time, double-checking the recipient's information, the amount, and the delivery method. Finally, confirm the transfer. Worldremit will process your payment and send the money quickly and reliably. You'll also receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Now you're all set.